It was really fascinating for me to just join this world where you are expected to think on your feet, and you're expected to be creative and really, focus on creating something new and revolutionary. You work with professors, you work with mentors, you work with entrepreneurs. It's really a life-changing opportunity.
We're educating students for jobs that, for the most part, might not even exist today. If I learn something in the classroom today, I want to be able to have that student apply it tomorrow and see if it works. And if it doesn't work, come on back and talk about it in class and say, we talked about this, I tried it, it didn't work like you had said, let's talk about it, and then go back and try it again. So innovation entrepreneurship is that opportunity to get things done.
So you're working in group projects, you're coming up with your own ideas and things like that. There is really no textbook. It provides a platform for us to use our ideas and bring them into the real world. I know that a lot of the participants that participated in this year's LaunchLU and have participated in previous classes in I&E are actually taking their ideas out into the real world and trying them out and have changed their career path because of their involvement in I&E.
I took my first computer science course in the winter, developed this proof of concept in that class. So we had this thing, and it wasn't very refined, but it communicated a message. And then leading up to LaunchLU, we had to put that into a refined presentation.
We wanted to be able to look at this region, the ecosystem of innovation entrepreneurship in the region. So we decided that the top 2 winners of each one of our campus pitches would pitch against the other school top 2. And we decided a nice central location was the Timber Rattler Baseball Stadium. Great location, great venue in the public eye.
The showing was amazing. I think there were 200 people. For us as a team, we had never been in that situation. Yes, we presented at LaunchLU, but that's maybe 20, 30 people, whereas here there's 200. So we communicate with investors, with people who express interest in our product.
You have this huge task that you have to accomplish, but then you break it down. You start with the pursuit of innovation, come up with your own idea, you work through it, you go through the entrepreneurial ventures where you create a business plan. So you get everything along the way that you need in order to start your own business. I think that's a receipt on that you don't really need a traditional business school.
To think that a liberal arts school won over a school that has MBA students. If you want to get involved, there's no better place than Lawrence. It's a small school, yes, but at the same time, it gives you a chance to really shine.